For more free videos, go to zeroxbilliards.com. All the videos are organized so learning the game of pool has never been easier. From fundamentals to kicking, banking, breaking, and cue ball control, we have all the videos you need to supercharge your game. Next, we're going to go through various stances and bridges that you will need to learn. In this example, the player is shooting the 2-ball, and he has 3 choices. He can perform a stretch shot, a bridge shot, or a side shot. And how you shoot this shot depends on what you plan on doing with the cue ball. If you simply need to stop the cue ball or just roll forward a few inches, then using a bridge will work fine. If you need to apply a good stroke to the cue ball, you may want to try a side shot, and here's how you do it. First, press both legs against the table and bend over, raising the back leg. This shot requires some flexibility and balance. One mistake that players make is shooting the shot too quickly when their stance isn't that comfortable. If you are stretching or balancing on one leg, that is all the more reason to take more time on your shot. In this stretch shot, you're going to face the table, and as you bend over, your back leg stretches while your other leg comes off the floor. And the same type of stance can be performed off the end rail. Here, the cue ball is in the middle of the table, requiring a very long reach. So if I press both legs against the table and lean over, keeping my right foot on the floor, I can reach the shot. In this example, we not only have to perform a stretch shot, but we also have to shoot over a ball. And when many players attempt to shoot shots like this, they create an unstable stance and end up shooting too quickly. A better way is to sit on the end rail, keeping your back foot on the floor. Now you can get closer to the cue ball, making for a more stable bridge. Next, the object ball is close to the corner pocket and the cue ball is close to the rail. In this scenario, we can't get properly lined up with a shot, but if we sit on the table, keeping our back foot on the floor, this allows us to get closer to the cue ball. In this example, I'm on the 8-ball, but I can't reach it from the other end rail. So I create my stance on the side of the table, and as I bend forward onto the table, my left leg is pushed upward. I now move my grip hand under my chest until the stick is on the shooting line. This is the stance that takes a little bit of practice to get comfortable with. In this example, we have to shoot over a ball, and you'll sometimes see players making this type of stance, where they balance themselves on one foot. A more stable way to shoot this shot would be to sit on the table, keeping your back foot on the floor. This allows you to be a bit more stable when you perform the shot. In this example, I'm shooting the 8-ball, but I can't reach the cue ball, so in this situation, I would put my right knee on the table, which allows me to get closer to the cue ball. And next, we're going to discuss various types of bridges and some issues that many players run into. The most common types of bridges are the closed bridge and the open bridge. The open bridge is a great bridge for players of all skill levels, even including players new to the game. It's fairly easy to make and provides good support for the cue stick. To watch more free videos like this one, we set up a page that is filled with free videos covering every aspect of pool. All the free videos are organized by topic, so learning this great game of pool has never been easier. I put a link in the description that takes you directly to this webpage.